Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use multiple desktops on Windows 10. So naturally you would ask, why do you even need multiple desktops? So there are some scenarios where it could be very useful. So let's say you use your computer for both your work and for your personal items. So at times you might have opened some applications that you're using for work and some other applications that you are using for your personal items. So you might want to keep those separate. So these multiple desktops will help you organize these applications in a nice and clean way. So let's see how you can use it. So once you are on your desktop, you need to go to your taskbar and find this button. It's called Task View. It will just be next to your search box. When you click on that, it will show you the windows that you have currently open, and you will notice this little button there. It says new desktop. So once you click on that, you will see that it will open up a new desktop, and you can go to that desktop by clicking on it. If you want to go back to your previous desktop, you can click task view again and you will see that listed, and you can go back to desktop 1. So let's go back to desktop 2. When you open some applications here like that, say I'm just opening some applications, and if you click on that, you can see all these applications that are there. If you move your mouse over these desktops, they will show you what applications are open right now on these desktops. You can even move these applications from one desktop to another. You just need to drag it and drop it to the other desktop, and it will just go back to your first or second desktop wherever you have put it. So that's how you can use these desktops, and you can switch between them. So now using task view might seem like a bit difficult to switch between these desktops. There are some keyboard shortcuts that will help you quickly move to these desktops. So what you can do, let's go back to the desktop 1 first. So if you are on desktop 1 and you want to move to desktop 2, the keyboard shortcut for that is you need to press Control, Windows key and right arrow. Once you do that, you will quickly move to the second desktop. If you want to go back, you need to do the Control, Windows and left arrow key, and you will go back to the previous desktop. So that's a very quick way. Using that, you can switch between your desktops. If you want to open a new desktop very quickly, you can press Control, Windows and D. That will bring up a new desktop. Now if you go back to the task view, you can see there are 3 desktops. So instead of clicking that task view to see how many desktops are open, you can also press Windows and Tab. That's another shortcut that will show you the desktops that are open, and you can navigate between those. At any point of time when you have any of the desktops open, if you want to quickly close them, what you can do, you can press Control, Windows and F4. That will close your desktop and take you to the last one. If you have applications open on that desktop and you try to close it, those applications will move to the previous desktop. So like this one, I have an application open. When I close it, it will just go back to the first desktop. That's how you can move and create new desktops and organize your work better. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Thanks a lot.